In this second part of the simulation, I am going to read the statement. Create the following model. It is a beam, similar dimension, expect it does not have the cutouts. So I am going to make another beam. So first thing is that change the units to inches. Click OK, go to create and select this plane. And then again go to rectangle, draw a center rectangle, first point on the center and draw the rectangle like that. Then go to create sketch dimension. This dimension, as we know, is given is 12.125, and this dimension is given as 12.53. Then finish, go to isometric view, select extrude and press and hold this handle in that direction and type minus 120 inches, press enter. So this is the beam we just draw it. Now as you know, we needed to apply the load in the center of this top surface, so I am going to make a point, create, select this top surface for my plane of the sketch, then create and point, place a point here and then go to create sketch dimension. So distance from here to here is the half of total width, it's 12.125 divided by 2, and then select this point and this region, and this distance is 60, press enter, finish it and then go to construction and point a vertex and select this point and click OK. It will create a point here. Now I am going to go to simulation. It will ask which type of simulation you want to perform. We want to perform static stress, create study, and then I am going to go here on materials or here on material, study material. We needed to apply steel is selected, press OK. Then go here on constraint, structural constraint. I am going to fix this face, select this face and click OK. Then go here and press apply structural loads, forces, target. So this point is our target, and as you know, we needed a concentrated force, so select this one, the vectors, and we needed to apply the force in FY direction 1000, and as you see the direction is wrong, so we needed to change the direction by putting a minus sign on FY forces. It will change the direction of the forces and click OK. Then go here on mesh, select this edit, and we needed to make the model base size this percentage 5, so it's 5, okay. And then go here and solve. It will solve this study. It will take some time, but it will solve it. So after that, after this simulation is done, we needed to select the deformation or displacement, and we needed to see the maximum and the minimum deformation or the displacement, and then we needed to take a screenshot and put that screenshot in the Word file to submit it. So this simulation is done. Click OK and press close. Now we needed to see the deflection or displacement. Go here on this and press here. It will show the different things: safety factor, stress, displacement. We needed to check the displacement, so press on the displacement. It will show the displacement. This is the maximum displacement, this is the minimum. And then go here, snipping tool is used to take the screenshot. press here, and you needed to make a complete screenshot of your screen. So select it from here like that. So your name must be showing, and place it like that. It will be done.